Yes, we made it. We've built a mini prover.
Okay.
And just to prove it, we made a proofer. We've got the proof on the video of the prover.
The future is now.
The dry section is good, I think. Even ducks can't do this. It works. Maybe not for long. Maybe we should call it catware. Let's fuck it. Let's open a company, call it catware. We'll make things out of straw. Oh dear, oh yes, it is qualified for catware. This is definitely going on YouTube. My Dutch colleagues will have a good laugh about this, I think. In fact, I think it runs better than catware. Look at that, beautiful. Look at that. Did it fall off? No. We cannot call it catware then. Sit up, dogs. You like it? Oh, I like the drive bit. Shall we follow it? No, not so. Yeah. Cool.